Hi, I'm Jason Gould. I'm a senior technical marketing engineer for Palo Alto Networks. I began the Simplilearn AI, Microsoft AI 900 AI engineer course because I was looking to gain more information into the world of computer vision, natural language processing, generative AI. Um, Looked around at some other programs. This one came highly recommended, so I did this so I signed up for it last spring. I looked around at some different ones. I looked around at Coursera, I think, and Udemy, and I was just like, okay, I've done this, and I already have a certificate in product management from Cornell and an MBA, so I was kind of sort of like filled on the degree, like actual degree programs. But I was thinking like, hey, what's something that's specific to artificial intelligence? And I've also done the several Google certifications. So I was pretty set there. I'm like, hey, let's look at something either Microsoft or AWS. Lo and behold, I came across this. The Microsoft AI 900 was a very good fit for what I was looking for sort of professionally. And I just spent some time, using Google, using other resources to figure out what the best program was. And you guys came up as definitely the best program. I think I enjoyed the projects the most because I got to save them. So I have them all on my machine, all as a folder, like all in AI folder. So I got to save the project. So if I want to go back and then do something over again, just as practice or with, new data, that's the part that I enjoyed the most because it was very hands-on. It was very much a let's learn something and then you'll have it in your toolbox. So I definitely think that was the best part of the program is the hands-on projects that were weekly. I think the support from the Simplilearn team was strong. I think it was strong. I think that it was, if you needed something, there was a Slack channel. The other participants in the class also went along in the Slack channel, so that was great. I think that the Simplilearn instructors were really good about responding. I think that the resources that were available in the platform were also excellent. If anything, we've been offered sort of a follow-up, sort of like skill up the courses. I think that's really excellent too in the months since the 3 or 4 months since the program ended. So I think those are all sort of excellent resources. Yes, I would definitely say I'm more confident with AI and discussing it. I've gone to a few AI specific conferences, so I think that it's definitely become more part of how I do things in my daily planning. I also believe that what is there and what I know, that gap has narrowed. So there's a lot of stuff out there, and I felt like before I was at maybe like a 10 or 15%. Now I'm in the 60s or 70s in terms of learning about AI and staying on top of it. So I definitely think that it was a really positive experience for me. If you are thinking about an AI program, this is among the finest out there. And I highly recommend it because it will definitely improve your life in more than just professional. It will allow you to use AI in every facet. People talk about AI replacing jobs, and I don't think about AI replacing jobs. AI is like the computer or the internet. AI enhances your ability to do your job by giving you access to resources that you didn't have before. And therefore, it is something that we should all look to adopt in more areas of our lives.